This Hoover PortaPower Canister vacuum feels genuinely light in the hand, so carrying it around job sites or up and down stairs is not a chore. Despite its compact size, the suction is strong enough to pull embedded dust from corners, baseboards, and low-pile carpets in a single pass. The long power cord gives you the freedom to cover large rooms and hallways without constantly hunting for another outlet. Its built-in blower function and flexible hose make it especially useful for clearing debris from tight spaces, vents, and workbenches. The included toolkit, with multiple wands and specialized nozzles, lets you move easily from floors to furniture, drapes, and hard-to-reach ledges. Backed by Hoover's long history in commercial cleaning gear, this model feels like a reliable workhorse for both professional and home use.